Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful AI Forex trading tool in 2025, check out FX MasterBot. FX MasterBot is an AI driven Forex trading robot that helps both beginners and experienced traders automate their strategies and make smarter decisions. Here's why it stands out. 1. AI powered analysis. It analyzes market data, news, and trends in real time, adapting to changing conditions to predict price movements. 2. Customizable strategies. You can adjust risk levels, set custom stop loss and take profit parameters, and let the AI execute trades for you. 3. Easy to use. The interface is user friendly, making it simple to set up and start trading. 4. Real time execution and risk management. The bot executes trades quickly and adjusts trade sizes based on your risk preferences, reducing potential losses. 5. Backtesting and continuous updates. You can backtest strategies using historical data and get regular updates to improve trading performance. If you're looking to automate your Forex trading, FX MasterBot is a great choice for 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.